Are you guys still using the old technology toy stuffing machine, in which you face a problem of fiber lumping, clogging or filling nozzle in between toy filling process? Worry no more, because Multipro is here to resolve all these problems by introducing smart toy filling machine for the first time in the world with a new generation technology. In the old technology or type of machines, fiber gets lumped after every 5 minutes of usage, which decreases the soft toy quality even if you are using good quality and expensive fiber. Hence, we have introduced revolutionary anti-lumping technology, which reduces the fiber lumping to a great extent to preserve your product quality. Another problem with the current technology machines is that it will clog the long cut length fiber, especially more than 32 mm in the nozzle during process. Hence, you have to clean the nozzle after every 2 minutes, which is a tedious job and reduces the manpower efficiency. We are here to offer solutions by introducing anti-clogging technology, which automatically de-clogs the fiber from the nozzle, so you can get a hassle-free and smooth production process. And yes, touch screen operating of the machine will even make tasks easier for you. With all this, you are getting 1-year warranty, 24/7 international after-sales support and worldwide logistics coverage of Multipro. Multipro is now exporting machineries in more than 60 plus countries worldwide. So are you ready to upgrade your old technology machine to make hassle-free operation? If yes, then call us on +91 72020 21999 or email us on sales@multipromachines.com. You can also visit our website www.multipromachines.com.